On a sunny morning in the park, a little boy named Leo sat on a bench looking sad because he had lost his special star keychain. His friend Mia noticed him and asked why he was upset. When Leo told her about the lost key,
The video you're watching right now was created using just one AI tool, and it looks pretty interesting. So today, I'm going to show you which AI tool this is and how you can use it to create videos like this yourself, step by step. And stay till the end, because I also have a giveaway for you. Let's start. First, open your browser and search for MagicLight AI. Once you find it, open the website and log in using your Gmail account. After logging in, you'll see multiple features like one-click video, image to video, story to video, and several pre-made templates. Since we're creating a 3D cartoon story video, we'll choose story to video. Next, you can select the aspect ratio. If you're making videos for YouTube, choose landscape. For Reels or TikTok, you can choose portrait. MagicLight also lets you select the video language. It supports many languages, but for now, we'll go with English. Now you'll see different story models. You can choose any model you like. I'll select this one. And here's one of my favorite features: style models. MagicLight offers multiple styles like realistic epic history and 3D cartoons. Since we're making a cartoon video, we'll choose 3D cartoon. Now let's talk about the script. If you only have a rough idea, you can use Smart Script, paste your idea, and MagicLight will generate a full story for you. But in this case, I already have a story generated from ChatGPT, so I'll paste it into the basic script section. Once done, click Next. Now you can see the script is automatically split into multiple shots. You can edit any shot, remove shots, or rearrange them. Once you're happy, click Next again. In just a few seconds, MagicLight will generate characters based on your story. As you can see, the characters match the script perfectly. If you want, you can edit them or choose from many other characters. You can also assign voices to characters, but for now, I'll keep everything as it is. Click Next. Now MagicLight generates scene-by-scene images for the entire story. Notice something important here. The characters are consistent across all scenes. This is one of the biggest advantages of MagicLight. Now let's animate the scenes. Click on the first image and choose Animate. Select the MagicLight model and confirm. Within seconds, your image is turned into a video clip. Using the same method, convert all images into videos. Once all clips are ready, click Next. Now you can add subtitles. MagicLight provides many ready-made subtitle templates, but for this video, I'll skip subtitles. You can also add background music. Just select a track and it will be applied automatically. Finally, click Generate. Choose your aspect ratio and video quality. I'll select Landscape and HD quality, then click OK. MagicLight will now generate the final video. One thing I really like about this tool is that it also generates a thumbnail, suggests a title, provides a summary and hashtags. All of this saves a lot of time. Now our video's ready. Let's take a look.
on a sunny morning in the park, a little boy named Leo sat on a bench looking sad because he had lost his special star keychain. His friend Mia noticed him and asked why he was upset. When Leo told her about the lost keychain, Mia smiled and gently took it out of her pocket. Leo's eyes lit up with happiness as he realized she had found it. He thanked her with a big smile and told her she was his best friend. As they walked together under the warm sunset, Leo promised that he would always be there for her, and Mia happily accepted the promise, showing that true friendship is the real treasure.
To download the video, simply click the download button, and it will be saved to your device. That's how easily you can create 3D cartoon videos using AI with MagicLight. MagicLight also offers many pre-made templates, which you can use to create videos even faster. If we talk about pricing, it starts at around $5 per month, which is very affordable considering the features it provides. Now about the giveaway, I'll be giving one person a MagicLight Pro subscription for 1 year. To participate, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what you think about MagicLight AI. One lucky winner will be selected. So this is the complete workflow of how you can create 3D cartoon videos using AI with MagicLight. If you want to try this tool yourself, I've added the MagicLight link in the description so you can explore all the features. What I personally like about this workflow is that it saves a lot of time. You don't need to use multiple tools for scripting, characters, scenes, and animation. Everything is handled in one place. This makes it really useful for creating storytelling videos, kids content, explainer videos, and even faceless YouTube channels. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Riavron for more AI tutorials. And don't forget to participate in the giveaway. Details are in the description. I'll announce the winner in the comments and community tab. So make sure you participate properly. This giveaway is just to help one of you try this tool without paying. Thanks for watching.